gap between the various parties, the various service providers, and where their jobs start and where it ends, and where the next government department takes over. So we've seen with the protection orders that if the woman can't say that she fears for her life and will be killed, there would be no action. We also just had a woman who went to the courts in Bloemfontein to get a protection order because of a person threatening her and stalking her. And the police told her they can't help her because there's no physical evidence that he's done something. Must first wait for him to do something. No, and then worst part is that the perpetrator will get a protection order against us or against the woman for her part that is she playing, and it's all for to get her to drop the protection order. So yeah, no, we have to do a lot of work around the legal issues and service providing.